In this video, we test the capabilities of Google's Gemini 3 Flash, which is one of the smartest, cheapest, and fastest models out there. But can it build us a website? Can it build us a landing page? Well, today we're gonna test that. So without squirrel ado, let's build. All right, as you can see here, today we're gonna operate out of their web app instead of anti-gravity. First thing we wanna do is go over here to build, and then we want to make sure we select the model Gemini 3 Flash Preview. And we're just gonna vibe here. So let's talk to it. You are a landing page expert with over 20 years of experience building lead funnel landing pages that convert. I wanna build a landing page for my new SaaS product. Just call it SaaS product. And I wanna make sure it looks like it was built in 2026, that the color scheme is a dark green / black glassmorphic effect. And there should be a lead capture at the bottom of this sales funnel that allows the user to download a free resource in exchange for their email address. I think this is a good place to start. And we're just gonna build. Just a little spoiler, I did try building something, a web app with a lot of different features. I couldn't get it to load. I could not get it to load using Gemini 3 Flash Preview. Now, to give it, the benefit of the doubt, I didn't get too technical. I didn't get as comprehensive as I could have in the prompt. I just wrote a few sentences and I wanted to see if it would work. It did not work, sadly, but the landing page is done. Let's preview this landing page. Okay, interesting. It is not bad. I'm impressed. It's not bad at all. Now, obviously the links don't work, so that's something we would have to vibe. Wow, okay. And that was quick too. Huh. So that does scroll. And then this is where, well, I mean, listen, it's, okay. Let's vibe a few features. So I'd like to add a pop-up module for the top menu bar. When a user clicks join waitlist, it should pop up a form similar to what we have in the footer of the landing page where it says claim your 2026 blueprint. It should look identical. It should just pop up, blur the background around that frame, and then display the same section that's displayed in the footer. And let's also make sure the top menu bar properly links to each section. And then for watch neural demo, let's give it just a random YouTube link video just to test and make sure that's a pop-up module video. Yeah, so I'm not sure what this is, right? This is something I would want to change as well. But I mean, I'm shocked it did this as good as it did, right? What is this? How does this work? Yeah, what is this? I'm interactive AI visionary. This is a cool feature I did not ask for. What? Interesting. We would have to fix the output. Wow. This is really cool. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Like this, I would probably turn into a carousel that rotates. Beautiful. I would fix, I would have it look horizontal just like it did in the footer rather than this kind of vertical format. Watch neural demo. Okay. I mean, I didn't give it a link. Download. Secure. I mean, I'm impressed. Now, I'd like to ask it, what is this interactive AI visionary prompt? How does that work? Where does it pull the data? Does it use Gemini 3 Flash preview? Is this like or does it dig into source documentation about the product? Right? Because this is not something I asked for. So yeah, I mean, I guess it's ask our AI assistants trained on our upcoming product roadmap. Wow. Okay, I just asked it a dumb question, but there's no such thing as a dumb question, because if you don't ask the question at all, how will you ever know the answer, right? Now, in my case, I should have just read. Wow. Yeah. Whew. This is really cool. I'm impressed. I thought we were going to be unhappy with the output, if I'm being brutally honest with you. That's how easy it is to build a landing page in 2026, even though it's still 2025. Okay. Is a conversion-focused feature designed to simulate futuristic 2026 vibe of your brand. Here's how it works. It uses a two-layered prompting strategy. System instruction. You are an AI expert, SaaS growth consultant for SaaS product. Your tone is professional, futuristic, year 2026, and highly persuasive. It wraps the user question a potential customer asks. Explain how this product future features solve in this year. Okay, it does not dig into external documentation yet. Instead, it uses the system instruction to frame its existing knowledge. Wow. I mean, here you have it. If you already have some documentation in place and you want to give a fun tool, I mean, this is really cool. This is really cool. I'm impressed. I mean, this is how easy it is to build using the power of AI. This was built with Google's Gemini 3 Flash. Impressed with the output. I was not expecting it to be so good. And yeah, drop a comment below. Tell me what you're building. And let me know, did you find some value in this? Was this detailed enough for you? If not, let me know below and I'd be happy to spin up another video that takes it even slower. So now, before we end it, to compare, the cost of building this landing page was significantly cheaper than if we were to go into Claude Code's Opus 4.5 model. And I'm going to be honest, the output based off of the prompt, I'm more than happy with it. I'm impressed. I'm just floored right now. I thought it was going to be very basic looking. Yeah, I'm shocked. I'm shocked. I'm impressed. I'm excited. I will be working on more videos with Gemini 3 Flash because it's so cheap. Like, people need to know about this. So I hope you found some value in today's video. Now, I'm not an AI expert. I'm building in public and sharing what actually works. If you'd like to see me make a particular video around a specific topic, drop a comment below. Let me know who you are, what you do, who your target audience is, and what your question is, and I will add a video to my queue, custom tailored just for you. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. My name is Marcelo. This is Clearmud, and clarity matters.